Good morning, children. See here, today's concept is antivirus software. Previously, we discussed about different types of viruses. No, now see antivirus software. See what is meant by antivirus software. Antivirus software is a set of programs. See here, software is nothing but contains a number of programs and that are used to detect and remove viruses and other malware from a computer. What it can do? It can, first of all, it can detect the virus from the computer, and it can also delete or remove from the computer the virus. Antivirus software searches for the viruses, right? It can searches for the viruses. See here. It can searches for the viruses in all files and folders of the computer system. In the computer, so many files and folders are there. It can searches all the files and folders for the virus. If it can detect, and it immediately removes them. Some antivirus software are freely available on the internet. Here children, two types of antiviruses are there. Some are freely available on the internet, some you have to pay, right? Some popularly used free antivirus softwares are Avira Free, AVG Free, and Bitdefender, Panda Cloud, and so on. These are the free antivirus software which are available on the internet. And you can download any one such of the software from the internet, and you can use your antivirus software into your computer, and it can detect and remove the viruses from your computer, right? And you can, next one, some popularly used paid antivirus software. Paid means you have to pay some amount for this antivirus software. Those are McAfee, Kaspersky, Avast, Norton, Quick-Heal. In our lab, we are using Kaspersky and Quick-Heal antivirus softwares, and Malwarebytes. These are the paid antivirus softwares, right? And here in the textbook, you are having did you know corner is there, right? About the did you know corner, what is there? Firewall. What is meant by firewall? Firewall is a software program used to protect a computer from hackers and viruses and worms that try to infect it over the internet. What it can do, firewall? Like our houses having the compound walls, no? Same way here the firewall can support, and it can protect protect our computer from the hackers, from the viruses and worms, right? This is one type. Firewall is nothing but a type of software which can protect our computer, right? Next, come to the next topic. How an antivirus software works into our computer. How it will work in a computer? See here, antivirus software is made to run and scan the computer system wholly or partially. Wholly means fully it can scan the computer system or partially. That is our wish. Suppose you want to scan entire files and folders in the computer, then you can click on wholly. Or you want to part of the computer you want to scan, like that is drives, only C drive, D drive. Drives are, did you remember? The computer have the drives, C drive, D drive, E drive, like that. So some part of the computer you want to scan means then you can click on the partially, right? After the system scan, if some viruses are detected, what it can do? Once it detect the virus, then depending upon the virus nature, it can do three types of scanning process and deleting process. What are the three types of scanning process? See children, first one is quarantining, right? First type of antivirus software, the first method to detect and remove the virus from our computer is nothing but quarantining. Quarantining means, to quarantine means place an infected thing in a place of isolation. So whatever the file or folder which infected by the virus, that we can place in a separate place in the computer, separate drive in the computer, and where it can harm others. That means with the other files we will place it means it can harm to the other files and folders. So what we can do, we can place it in the isolation. So isolation, normally we are using in nowadays we are using so much times we are using this word isolation, right? That means quarantine, isolation. You are listening these words now in the COVID time. Same way, quarantining means we can put whatever the infected file, who are the COVID patients, we can put it in the isolation room now. Same way, which is the infected by the virus, which file or which folder is infected by the virus, that file we can place it in a isolation place in computer, right? Quarantining a file is usually the first action that an antivirus software takes when it detects a virus. This is the first action which is done by the antivirus software. Immediately it can put it in the isolation place. When an antivirus puts an infected file into quarantine, it deletes the file from its original location and it can no longer infect your computer. Once we put the virus infected file into the isolation place, no, it will not infect the other files in your computer. Our computer is in safe mode, right? This is about the quarantining or quarantining, right? Next one, second method is repairing. Repairing means what? Normally you know the word meaning repairing, right? We just repair the file or folder, and the antivirus removes the virus code and restores the file to its original form. This is better than the quarantining it. What we can do, suppose that particular virus, it depends upon the virus nature. So by depending upon the virus nature, we can also repair some of the code that is, which is the virus code, that we can remove it and we will put it in the original form. That is called the repairing. Next one is deleting. When a file is totally damaged or infected by dangerous viruses, when we delete a file or folder, when it is totally infected by the virus, or it seems to be very dangerous, once we put it in our computer, it can damage the entire system. Means immediately what it can do, antivirus software, immediately it decided to delete that particular file or folder, right? Like this, according to the nature of the virus, the antivirus software take the decisions like in these three methods: quarantining, repairing and deleting. Quarantining means whatever the infected file, that we can put it into the isolation place so that the system is a safe mode. Next one, repairing. Some part of the file is infected, whatever the infected area, we just delete it and put it in its original place. That is called repairing. Deleting means whenever the file or folder is totally damaged and it seems to be very dangerous, then we can delete it. Right, children? This is for today. Right? You just read all these things. Thank you, children.